Knowing more than one language can be really interesting and weird at the same time. On a daily basis, I speak in 2 languages, with the occasional 3rd language popping in. I have a list here that I put together of English words that when you say them, they mean something different in Low German. So let's check it out. Okay, I've got over 20 words here, so stick around till the end. It'll be a doozy. Okay, number 1 is the word cool. Man, that guy is so cool. In Plautdietsch, the word cool means bald or barren, empty. Okay, that field is so barren. Dat vlek is so cool. Or mein Kopf is cool. My head is bald. Book. I'm reading a book. Mein book dat voy. My stomach hurts. Hat. I can't find my hat. De hat is naast nicht te verdrehen. The heat is almost unbearable. Fan. Can you turn on the fan? How's it going? Zoya fan. Really well or good. Boy. I am a boy. Ik wil op een boy opklotteren. I want to climb the mountain. Han. I love watching Star Wars because of Han Solo. I have a chicken. I can a Han. Now the word Han also has a few other meanings, but the main meaning is chicken. Show. The greatest show on earth. Where are my shoes? What does that mean, a show? Now, I'm aware that some words in Low German might be pronounced slightly different, like show and show, okay? And there's another one actually that I'm gonna, rock. This is a heavy rock. Now, if you roll the R, you will get skirt in in Low German. Rock, okay? I'm wearing a rock. I'm wearing a skirt. So, that was a bonus. Halt. The machine came to an abrupt halt. This table is made out of halt. This table is made out of wood. Okay, knee. I have a bad knee. Mina koas gons knee. My car is brand new. Fun. The game was fun. Van wo bist du? From where are you? So the word fun actually has a few other meanings in Low German, from and about. De Geschichte is van een hund. The story is about a dog. Bat, as in Batman or swinging a bat. Koste de bat, fall down. Can you fill the tub? Lap, the race car finished his last lap. Mina boeverste lap, dat voy, my top lip hurts. Built, Peter built for all you truckers out there, or he built a house. Don't ask een fan it built what it hangt. That's a nice photo that's hanging there. Cart, I need a cart to put my items in. Cart, de bontas cart, the rope is short. I'm going to go to the bank and deposit some money. Ik wil op de bank zitten. I want to sit on a bench. This next word might make you think a little bit about misusing words. I don't know, because it's in a different language. I got nothing to lose. Ik wil God aanbidden. I want to worship God. Niece, I'm spending some time with my niece and nephew. Niece, ik kan wel niece te vertalen. So niece doesn't translate to directly one word, so it would be more of an interesting story. Do you have anything interesting to share? My room is not dirty, it's clean. Mijn stoel is niet grijs, it's clean. My room is not dirty, it's small. Fashion, the world of fashion. Ik wil foreign fashion. I want to go fish, or I want to go fishing. Now, it's interchangeable as far as like fishing and fish. It's a bit confusing sometimes. I had a conversation with my sister regarding that, but fashion actually means fishing. I'm fishing, or the boy is fishing. The boy, de jong dat fashion. There, let's move on. I'm drinking a pop, or mom and pop. I kind of pop gekregen te Weihnachten. I got a doll for Christmas. Okay, doll, I just mentioned that pop means doll. So now doll actually means angry. Ik zie a doll. I'm very angry. There's a mouse in the house. Was die wat Milchmaus eten? Do you want to eat some milk mouse? Okay, so mouse, it's a soup or it's a dessert. It's not a cereal, but it's not a hot soup. It's a sweet soup that we call mouse. Either water mouse or Buttermilch or Milchmaus, milk mouse. I'm down to my last few words. They're quite interesting. I have a zit on my forehead. Dort Bild zit sehr schmack. That photo looks really nice. Dorm, short for dormitory. He went to the boys' dorm. Now this one, when I was in Bible school, this was interesting because of the mixed languages. Ik wil naar mijn dorm gaan. Dorm means guts, okay? I'm gonna go to my guts. Anyway, that's a kicker. The sheet of paper. The sheet of paper, or the plywood sheet, of the sheet of wood. Sheet means shit or poop. Now, I have a story with this. I used to work in a factory and we cut these steel sheets. Now, after every shift, we had to write down what we did that shift. And so the one day, this one guy that didn't know English very well, low German speaking guy, he had ran that job, and so he wrote down so and so many shits. Anyway, it's confusing sometimes, but funny. For my final two words, I wasn't quite sure if I should add them to the video because they're considered swear words. But I will add them just so you know that if you hear Low German people speak or swear, they might not be swearing, okay? Dort as oldista. It's already dark. So that's a word that we use very much, actually. As. Okay, the last one is a name in English, Donna. And what that means, how do I, okay, exaggerate jerk, the word jerk, or just a bad person. If you want to call someone, you know, an MF or you effer, okay, you would basically use the word or the name like Donna. It also comes from when it's thundering outside, Donnat, okay, it's thundering, lightning and thundering, Donna. But yeah, when you hear that, we're not referring to a girl's name. All right, that is my list. See you next time.